The latest product is here. This copper straight coupling is a must-have for every plumber. It can be freely adjusted to fit various pipe diameters, ensuring a perfect match for your needs. Made from high-quality copper, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and durability. The design ensures a tight seal, preventing any leaks in HVAC and air conditioning systems. Its straightforward installation process saves time and effort, making it ideal for most plumbing applications. With factory direct pricing, it provides exceptional value, meeting all professional standards while being cost-effective.